Thanks so much for joining me in this video. If you're part of a band and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you certainly are in the right place today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to create a simple website. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month to use the service, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. With Mighty Sites, you can literally create a one-page website in less than a minute. It's super simple. So make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, registered for a free trial, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market band as I am part of a wedding band. Let's go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our band so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're performing in, which location or city you're located in, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Site work its magic and create a simple website for my band. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing professional photos of your band performing at weddings and events, and you want to showcase them on your website. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. To make amendments on the Mighty Sites platform, you really don't need to be a web professional. You don't need to hire a web professional either, and you certainly don't need to know any coding. If you're not that tech savvy, you can do this all yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and make my way to the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in my email address. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website so customers can easily reach out to me. So let's go ahead and tick the box. I'm now going to go ahead and pop my phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. If you don't have a physical location, you can leave this part off, but I'm going to go ahead and put a location anyways. The great thing about that physical location, when your website's live and your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. I'm now going to head over to update social links. I'm sure your band is super active on social media platforms, so go ahead and pop in the links over here. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's go ahead and update our logo. If you don't have a logo for your band yet, maybe you've recently launched it and started out, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make amendments to it, crop it to fit into the section better, add filters, zoom in, rotate it, go ahead and click on the little pencil over it. Otherwise, go ahead and proceed to clicking on save logo. Over here, you can make it bigger and smaller on the right. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website. If you want to change it to go a little bit better with your logo, your branding, no need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on the little paint button on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section and head over to update image. Go ahead and browse your device and upload your own awesome band images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Awesome. To change the content, head on over to update content. Buttons can link to various places. Go ahead and change the button text if you want to and click on choose link. You can link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings through a calendar booking app. Otherwise, you can link to an action, click to call, directions, click to email. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is great to upload a little bit more details about your band. Look at that. It's looking absolutely fantastic. Over here at the bottom is where your customers with queries can easily reach out to you. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via email you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard, which I'll get to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your band, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase one through the Mighty Sites platform to make your website look even more professional. Under your Mighty dashboard is where you'll find the leads from that form at the bottom as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building websites on the Mighty Sites platform for your band. Really wishing you and your band mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, all you need to do is comment below, drop us a message. We'd love to hear your feedback.